आम्ही सगळं आम्ही सगळ्यांचे पैसे आमची नटना सुद्धा थोड्या पाचशे आम्ही आहात
आणि रिप्रेझेंटेशन घेऊन
आमची थोड्या आमची साडी मारून रिमोट केलं
दोन चार बोट काय येतात दोरी आहे कुठे टॉल
हॅलो बरं बरं तुमका नाव सांगितलं चलो चलो
कन्सर्न पण पर्सन आपल्या पर्सन ना जाल्यार ताका आपया देसाय आशिल्लो न्ही देसाय आनंद देसाय आत्ता केला आम्ही आसतानाच केला ही जर कन्सर्न पर्सन चल कोण कन्सर्न आसा ताका दाखय यू कॅन आन्सर आणि आमचे थोडे एक्सप्लेनेशन जाय आनी आमचे क्वेरीज आसा कितें जालें लास्ट 14 months जाले these people were working with you from last 10 years so all of sudden तेंचे आता I think this is the third time तेंच्यांनी स्ट्रायकाचेर वता ते कितें तरी प्रॉब्लेम जाता म्हणून ते स्ट्रायकाचेर गेले सो तेंचे प्रॉब्लेम सॉर्ट आउट जावंक ना सो ते लास्ट ऑक्टोबर ते स्ट्रायकार गेले सो ते आता 14 महिने जाले वी आर विथ द गव्हर्नमेंट आमकां कशें आसा आमी गोंयकार आमचे जे इलेक्टेड आसा तांच्या बरोबर आमी रिप्रेझेंटेटिव्ह आसा थंय सरकारा कडेन आमचो विशय हो सरकारा कडेन आमी मांडलो सो एज अ कंपनी म्हणून हे तुमचे पळय लास्ट 10 years तुम सर्व केले एज अ कंपनीचे ते कामगार म्हणून सो तांचे काय डिमांड आशिल्ले ते सॉर्ट आउट जावंक ना म्हणून ते स्ट्रायका वयल्यान आसा आनी ते आतां कंटिन्यू स्ट्रायक आमचो चालू आसा सो आतां कितें जालां आतां तुमी आतां खूब स्टेटमेंट दिता दृश्टीक आमचे ते कामगार न्हीच हय न्ही बरोबर आसा पूण सद्या हे तेंगेले पेंडींग तुमच्या कडेन खूब आसा तेंच्या हक्काचे ते कित्याक मेळूना आतां ते प्रश्न आसा तेच आसा तुम्ही जर तेजी उत्तरां दिता इफ यू आर द रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन
No, I
yes
told you clearly, I am not responsible.
okay
Concerned person, no.
okay you call that person we are ready to wait kitla time जाऊ
Amal?
Yeah, good morning.
yes good morning
First of all, I would like to know upon here.
yeah
I am Commander Naveen Awasthi.
yes
I am Vice President.
yeah
And how can I help? आप वो बताइए. We
Yeah.
would like to help the people.
yeah actually this is our union
Okay.
all Goa Marine Life Saving Guards Union so I'm the president of my name is Swati Ketkar Sheikh so today we have come we have some grievances
Okay.
because since these workers were working under you and now they are on strike they have certain grievances with the company so we want to clarify that
So we will solve the grievances. We have no problem.
yeah
But do we want to do it publicly or you want to talk one-on-one?
no publicly we have this written submission no
For
Point
whatever
one, point
submissions,
one.
so whatever
Yeah.
submissions you want to give,
yeah
I suggest that you can give it to us.
yeah
Because I will also take some time to read them, understand them, and see where
no
the
no
problem
now
is.
these problem are a minor problem
Okay.
so if that
So for a minor
person
problem, people need not
no
go on a
no no
strike.
no that concerned person is
Okay.
if he is there he
Okay.
can answer it orally right now without studying it is not a matter of study
Okay.
okay to make a we know last 1 year back we had given one representation to our tourism director
Okay.
and he said I'll let you know I want to study the matter
You have to check with tourism director
no
then.
no last 1 year he's studying the matter still he is studying the matter
You have to ask them, na?
no that is why we don't believe in that study because it is too much study is gone too much okay so now one thing is we have certain questions these are our grievances so some
So I don't mind answering.
if-
No, I don't mind answering the grievances.
Yeah.
But I don't want to do it on camera. I don't want to do it on camera. You would like to discuss with me? You're free. Please feel
camera
free.
means we
Whatever, whosoever is there.
no we don't know
I
whether
do not know. Then you can please ask them to leave. Sir, you can ask them to leave, please.
झाले तू मित्र उद्या बोलतो
Please, you can ask them to leave.
क्वेरीज किती आसा आन्सर करतात सगळे तुम्ही जे रिप्रेझेंट
You can sit in the, you can sit in the.
No problem.
committee which committee huh?
No, we'll first talk to you.
no single person I am not
You
here
are a single
single
person. I'm ready
no
to-
no you are single person that is your problem
Okay, come. I'll answer.
we
I will
were 5
answer.
people
पाच जण,
yeah
पाच जण,
yeah
one
yeah,
person.
But all the
Five,
extra
yeah.
time, please.
Yeah.
तुम्ही हे करा ब्रीफ करतलो
येस
Yeah.
सर
वेट
प्लीज सर यू सिट
Yeah, they can give.
press people are there that is the
सर सर 5 जण पुढे आले.
how much the press people चांगले निर्णय का press people they are the press people
ओनली 5 लोग भीतर.
press people
तुम्हारी brief कर दे.
Late yourself. How he directly argued, get out his word. Leave
no
this over.
otherwise without you people ना no I work ना म्हणून ना
So,
I work ना म्हणून ना ते नाही त्याने फक्त ते बाकीचे
wrong
सगळे
man.
कोण ते
The way he
विचारले
have treated
Yeah.
you.
We are there with you. Continue.
Wrong man.
लोग 5 जण.
Continue.
5 जण. एक
Why we kill you?
क्या डायरेक्ट सर्टेन
4 5
विचारले ना.